Hey, are you wondering what $400,000 gets you in Lakeville? Well, guess what? That's exactly what we're gonna look at today as we look at my latest listing, this 3-bedroom, 4-bath end unit right here in Lakeville. Come take a look with me. Now, a quick disclaimer, if you're relocating here from somewhere outside the Twin Cities, if you're trying to keep within the Lakeville area, I'm your guy. I always get calls from unknown numbers, from people looking at these videos, looking to relocate, and the difference is I will always pick up. I am never too busy for you, and I do not hand off. I do one-on-one service. So if you're interested in this property or others that I can assist with, my number and contact info is below. I'd love to help you too. All right, enough about me. Let's get a look at the house. All right, so walk with me if you're quick. We've got a place to drop your keys and get started there as you walk in this open floor plan. Obviously, we get to some open light. Look up at those 20-foot high ceilings. That is definitely what makes this place unique. It is so bright all throughout this main and upper level. You've got the updated countertops, granite, stainless steel finishers, gas stove, tile floor. We have definitely had the sellers put some time and effort into this one. And again, look at those views. Step outside with me quick. Let's start on the outside and take a look at the deck. We've got one that wraps around and has some decent vinyl siding to shade it there. Low maintenance, easy, and again, you can really get a grasp of the windows, as well as it being a corner lot, and it has the steps to go down. So if you've got small children, if you've got pets, dogs, whatever, you've got some space to play around there and some additional privacy with the boulder wall. A good lookout from the windows, so there's plenty of light in the basement as well. And again, all this well located in a spot that just feels a little bit more secluded, but you still have to pay those huge acreage prices. Come with me next. I'm a basement guy. Let's go down there first. All the carpet here on the lower levels been recently updated, and everything in here has been very well maintained. You can see in this spot, it's got a fireplace, it's got a sitting area, it's a place for maybe a secondary viewing or movie space, but it easily could be sheetrocked off into a 3rd bedroom, as they already have an attached bathroom, 3/4 shower, fully functioning as well. Come back out with me here into the utilities. We've made sure that everything in here is very well maintained, taken care of with a home warranty as well. And then additionally, behind and around the stairs, plenty of additional storage. So much storage, I couldn't even get all the way in there, so you'll have to take my word for it. Going back up the stairs, now we're on the upper level. Let's go to the ancillary rooms. We'll end with the primary, but we've got 2 other big rooms. One of them out facing toward the street here. Again, that's a king-size bed, and you can see as it's been moderately staged, there's still space to go. Come back around, we've got a shared full bath on this one. Updated part of it, but again, very, very well maintained for anything that hasn't been updated, where you still got room to build your own equity. Come into the 2nd bedroom. Right now, they're using this more as like an office space, and they've got, some of their desks there, but again, all these rooms are really, really decently sized for additional bedrooms. So none of those little 8x9 little bread boxes you're trying to fit other people into. Now, pausing for a second as I get to the top of the stairs. Look at that depth of space. I know it's just open boxes of air, but it shows so nice. Come here into the primary. They got a built-in there where they still have their TV. That made sense in the 90s, but it's still quite functional. Plenty of room in here, as you can see, with the dressers and the armoire and the king-size bed in the middle. Now, this is where they put some money into it. You come over, you can see the updated fixtures, you can see the updated lights, the granite countertop, his and her sinks, private room for a bathroom. That matters for a lot of people. But the bench, the tile surround, and the tiled flooring for this oversized shower, that is yours, and that's the fun part. Well guys, thanks for watching the whole video. For those of you that are on my channel, thank you for your patience and your support. I know I've been absent a while, but I am back and stronger than ever, and I am reinvigorated to keep answering your questions, whether you guys are planning a move in 7 days or 70, you, your family. I'm here for all of it. Like I said at the beginning, I answer all of my calls. I love it when I see a number I don't recognize. So when it's time for you to discuss your next move, or you want to see other properties like this, even ones that maybe I don't control, that's okay. I got you. Drop me a note, send me a text. We will chat, and until next time, you guys make it a great day. See you soon.